I've actually been doing pretty decent on keeping up with filming for TikTok. Now I'm slacking on vlogs. I'm sorry. Today we did a latte makeup look. So I used Juvia's Place, the coffee shop. Look at my nails too. They're for Valentine's Day. I put those on today. And then I also used for lashes, I'm using the Juvia's Place Nubian Lash Zarina. Their lip liner is $10 and it's amazing. This is in the color So Rare. And I just lined my lips and filled them in a little bit. And then I topped it with this, I think it's a coffee shop lip gloss as well in cocoa butter. Yeah, the coffee shop. So it's from the same line. Absolutely stunning. Also, I'm not even wearing any highlighter. What I have on today, don't sleep on Makeup Revolution. I don't know if I just didn't realize how good their products are. I did a whole look with this. It blew me away. I'm putting a couple things aside for Valentine's Day, this being one of them. Good morning. I'm currently tangled in my pocketbook. We're at Target at the moment. I am working. I got 2 orders with me right now. They're both really small. It's gonna take me 15 minutes to get them. While we're here though, I want to grab some, they're technically called C string panties. It's for like lingerie, or like if you have, let's say, exposed, like if you're wearing pants or a skirt that has exposed skin on the side and you don't want panty lines showing, well, that's what these are for. I don't know if Target would specifically have them. I already have some nude pasties, but I need like some nude coverings for the bottom half of me. I gotta see what they have for like just nude panty line covering kind of thing, because I'm going all out for Valentine's Day, and I already got some stuff at home. I'm waiting on some other stuff. And I'm so excited. You guys are going to want to see an upcoming vlog, because we're going to be going to Adventure Suites in North Conway. I'm watching this woman at the door. As soon as she goes in, they're open. I'm a little early. Up in North Conway in New Hampshire, they have this awesome hotel. I've never been, but I've seen it. I've seen pictures. It looks amazing. It's called the Adventure Suites, and every room is like a different theme. And we are looking to book for Valentine's Day like a Spartan room, so it's all Roman. And so like I ordered a bunch of Roman outfits and a couple accessories and shoes, so when that all comes in, I'll show you that. I'm so excited. This man spoils the ever-living crap out of me like I don't deserve it. I want to find maybe a pack of them. One order is in my trunk, one is in the back seat, and then my order is next to me on the passenger seat. That way nothing gets messed up, nothing gets confused. I've done that before. I'm pretty sure I did that the other day. I can't do deliveries all day as I have some content I gotta get up that's a little timely. That's why I'm coming out first thing. I want to go tanning too before I go home and scrub the rest of this lingering makeup off. I just got done filming a TikTok. Mean Girls, is it technically 3? Came out this year. And it's one of those movies that like I want to go see, obviously, but I don't think I'm gonna take my daughter. I just got done filming. It took me a little over like an hour and a half. It always just takes a little bit longer because I'm focusing on filming and everything, but it was Regina George inspired. And if you missed the TikTok, I'll show you real quick. Elf had a collection. Don't mind my table. It's always a mess after I do my makeup. Elf came out with like a Mean Girls bundle, I guess, if you want to call it. Oh, here's my perfume I got yesterday. I've been wearing it ever since I got it. I'm gonna wear it for a long time. I wanted to create for one of the days that I'm doing all the makeup, I wanted to do like a Mean Girls inspired. So I'm not trying to be Regina George, but the off the shoulder black, the blonde, obviously. I also got to play with a new palette too from Morphe. It's their 35 anniversary or something. I'm gonna have to fact check that. But it's a beautiful pastel colorful palette. We used a lot of the pinks. We used this white highlight down here, which we just packed on, and then I added a little bit of pink glitter on top. Lips I used, these are $2 from e.l.f. and yeah, they are the sharpening ones, but honestly I don't mind that much. Sorry, I'm looking for the other one. One is the pinky swear one is the beige. So I lined the lips, well, I use my little sucker tool to get my lips a little more plump. I then lined my lips with the beige, and then I filled it in with the pink one. And then they also came out with the 2 lip oils, and I ended up using, so this is the one that I ended up using from earlier, which was the pink quartz one. So it doesn't, these don't have a crazy amount of color. It's just like a little tiny flush over top what you're already wearing. They do have a clear if you don't want any color whatsoever. So this one, although this one is brown, it's just gonna have like a little hint of brown, so it'll look really beautiful over a nude. So I want to save that for maybe we'll do that in tomorrow's look. We used the, just real quick, these 2 products. I just did this one on the brows and they look phenomenal, and I used the new brush with the spoolie end and everything. So those came out great, so I'll definitely just be using the e.l.f. one from now on. We used the Jelly Pop Dewy primer, and honestly, I mean, it smelled amazing. It was like a watermelon-y smell. Yeah, I mean, I didn't use highlight at all, which, damn, I should have. I used this blush, although it wasn't in the collection technically. They did come out with the liquid blush I showed you. I put that on first, and then I topped it with this just to give us a super blushed out look. The other products were just the lip ones. We had the 2 lip liners, which ended up being 3 because I ordered one twice by accident. I forgot I had this Makeup Revolution blush too. I need to organize and lay out everything so I know exactly what I have. But the look came out great. I wish I could talk a little bit more. I feel like I'm speeding through only because I'm literally gonna be, oh my gosh, I'm dropping stuff. I'm gonna be picking up the kids in like under an hour, maybe 45 minutes at this point, so I just want a little bit of time. I'm trying to, like, what is, oh, I just want a little bit of time to organize real quick and hopefully get started on editing the video. I just filmed a little bit because I need to have it up by tomorrow morning. So this was fun though. It came out really cute, kind of like a Barbie, more like a Barbie than I meant it to be, but it's beautiful regardless.